welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. If you guys are new here, that's who I am. And if you're not, welcome back. Today I am jumping on the tie-dye bandwagon. Now I have had copious amounts of shirts set aside to tie-dye since long before quarantine because I've been wanting to tie-dye shirts that go along with our SVGs and our designs, which you guys will see all of these shirts used in tutorials pretty soon with matching characters. And I don't know if you guys know this about me, but I can be very lazy, but at the same time so productive. And that is kind of a good thing because I end up finding really cool hacks. So I have been just collecting white t-shirts as I've found them on sale or as I go to Target and I just grab like a pack of 5 of them. I have 19 shirts right here and I tie-dyed them in one setting, one round of tie-dye. So I watched all the tie-dyers that did everything through quarantine and I was like still really intimidated. Don't be intimidated if you've never tie-dyed before. For some reason, there's something about it that just kind of seems intimidating. But I'm gonna tell you right now, I went the easiest route I could. So I grabbed the one-step tie-dye kit from Michael's, and I believe they have it at Joann's. It's by Tulip, it's amazing. And I was able to do 19 shirts with it, and I could have easily done more shirts with it if I had a bigger container. So if you're in like a t-shirt making business or you wanna tie-dye your shirts up before you put designs on them, because if you're a member to my craft membership, you get tons of cut files for all the cutting machines. So this is a really cool route to go, and I saved the spray bottles, so I have the spray bottles in case I want to make my own and just buy the colors later, or I could just buy this kit again, but I probably won't because I feel very confident now that it's super easy to do. So this comes with rubber bands and gloves and all the things. I didn't use the rubber bands. This is the lazy way to make t-shirts, guys, and I'm just gonna put that out there. I don't got time for rubber banding, okay? And I also was able to make them all different. So I do have another tutorial just on how to do the rainbow one, but we will talk about, you'll obviously see it in this video as well, but for the people looking for the rainbow one, I have a very fast, simple tutorial on that. So with that, I made a rainbow one. I made 2 rainbow ones actually out of this set. I made a blue and purple one, very subtle. I made a orange, red, and yellow one. I made a green, blue, and a little bit of purple one. I made a orange and pink one. I made a blue and purple with a little bit of pink one. I made a blue, green, yellow, little bit of purple, orange and yellow. Again, this is all one step. I made all of these. Purple and pink, yellow and a little bit of bluish yellow with a couple other different colors. Not a huge fan of this one, but it's not the worst. Pink and orange, made a pink and orange one. That one's so cool. Another pink and orange one, but just a little simpler. If you guys want me to do this whole technique to show you how to get one color, like you could do this and get all the same shirt, or you could do it the way that I'm showing you and get 19 different shirts. And then I got a blue and purple, a very rainbowish one with a splotch of purple. You're gonna see me make this in the video and don't do it because it's not worth it. An all purple one and a blue and yellow with a little bit of purple in it. And then I threw this guy in and I'm not happy how it turned out because he kind of just got stuck in the middle and he got some yellow on him. It looks like I literally just got like mustard squirted on me. Not the cutest shirt ever. So if you guys wanna see me fix him, let me know in the comments below and I will try to do a fix it video or I'll update you guys later. Okay, so let me show you how I made all of these shirts in one step. Well, it's not one step, it's one tie-dye step, like from the beginning step to the end step, but in one, okay? Okay, it is the easiest thing you'll ever do, and it's the most exciting thing you'll ever do in your life. I don't know about that, but it is a very exciting thing. So I just want to do more, but I have to tack these with SVGs, so make sure to stay tuned on my channel when you see me turn them into really cute Disney character inspired shirts. So let's go. Alrighty guys, to start we're going to fill up our tulip bottles with water. I love this that they already have everything in there, so I just have to fill them all up with water. Now I'm going to use this bucket. This is one of those buckets that's like for under your bed, and I started by just like wadding up the t-shirts. I really wasn't joking when I said that I'm lazy. Like, I don't have time to do rubber bands, so I just kind of like was trying to figure out how many I could fit in there, and then I figured the more they were like scrunched together, the more they made wrinkles, and it was kind of like it was doing all the work for me. So I think I was able to fit like 12 in, and then I threw in this cute Mickey shirt that was all white, and I just wanted to see if I could tie-dye him, and I'm gonna fix him later. Like I said, I squeezed one more shirt in here, I forgot to show you, so there was 13. And then I took my 2 long shirts and twisted them and put them on the edges. And I have a tutorial just about rainbow shirts. Those are my 2 rainbow shirts that came out. But if you're watching this, bonus, you're learning how to do the rainbow shirt in this tutorial. Okay, so I just did those on the edges, and then I took 2 more and I twisted them just like I did the rainbow shirt, but then I folded them in half and twisted them and put those on the edges. I was really trying to get a bunch of different techniques and different shirts, so like these ones are going to obviously be more red or like monochromatic on the end. So this was pretty much a joke, because if I was doing 1 or 2 shirts, this would have probably worked just fine. I sprayed a rainbow going across, and again, I was really trying to get some shirts to be yellow and orange, some to be blue and green, some to be purple and pink, and then some to be like more monochromatic, like on the very end. And then obviously I got the 2 rainbow shirts, which were really cool. But this was genuinely like, it looked really cool for the shot, but look at this. It wasn't even going down. So I decided, okay, we need to bring out the big guns and open up the bottles and just dump this stuff on. So then I was like, should I have even bought the spray kit? Probably not. I should have just bought a regular old tie-dyeing kit and gone from there. But I really loved that these didn't need any mixing. I just needed water. So I'm really happy with this kit, and I can reuse these spray bottles for some other things later on. Or if I get, just the dye, I can reuse the spray bottles if I want to. So I just redid all of these with dumping it on, and then it still wasn't going through, because guys, we're doing 19 shirts at once. So I refilled the bottles with water, shook them up, and then re-doused each color, and that was almost good enough. We were getting there, okay? But when I went to the bottom of the bucket, I realized really wasn't doing much. It wasn't going down as far as I wanted it to. So I took it back to the sink, and I just kind of went over each color with a little bit of water, like 2 or like not even 2 rounds of water going across each color. And then I left this for about 4 hours. I went and I did something, and then I came back to these guys later. That's the key here, is we want to let this all soak really, really good. So 4 hours later, I came in and I just rinsed everything out really good in the sink, and I started in the bucket, and then it was just kind of like filling the bucket up and not doing anything, so I just ended up dumping it out in my sink. One of the reasons why I love my big old sink with no dividers is I can do these really big projects as if it was like a bathtub. So you could also do this in the bathtub if you want to do it in the bathtub. So I just rinsed each one out, and then I threw it in the washing machine and dried them, and then that's really all I needed to do. They were good to go, and I had 19 tie-dyed shirts in the time it would have taken me to make just one. So sometimes it pays off to be lazy, but do it in the best way possible. Don't do it in the way where you are not getting anything done. Do it in the way where you get a lot done because you're thinking outside the box, or in this case, inside the box. All right, enough of that. If you want to see what I do with the rest of these t-shirts, make sure you click subscribed to my channel, because I'm going to be doing a bunch of really cute stuff with these shirts.